Have you ever wondered what makes us, humans, different from the smart machines we're creating? Or maybe why the debate between artificial intelligence and human intelligence is more relevant now than ever before? AI isn't just about doing big tasks. It's also about creating new possibilities by taking on jobs that are too hard or too big for people. It's like teaching computers to think and learn, mimicking the human mind. But do they think and feel like us? Not exactly. While AI is super fast at sorting through information and figuring things out, much faster than humans, but it doesn't really get feelings or come up with creative ideas like we do. It also doesn't understand complicated feelings or the unspoken rules in how we talk to each other. That's where humans stand out. We're good at feeling what others feel, creating new things, and making our way through complicated social situations in ways AI just can't match. What unique human ability do you think AI could never replicate? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Now, have a look at the differences. 1. One-shot versus multi-shot learning. First is the learning approach. Humans possess the remarkable ability to learn from limited information, a trait known as one-shot learning. Whereas AI systems require extensive data to understand and perform tasks, a process called multi-shot learning. This difference shows how naturally quick and flexible humans are at learning things. 2. Imagination versus recitation. Did you know we can dream up things that never existed? That's our magic, inventing and imagining. AI, though, it's good at mixing info it knows, but misses that creative spark we have. Makes you think, doesn't it? What makes our human creativity so unique? 3. Multisensory input and output. Lastly, think about how we use our senses, seeing, hearing, tasting, and more, all at once, to make smart choices. It shows how awesome our senses work together. AI, though getting better, usually sticks to one kind of input, like words or pictures, which means it doesn't quite get the full picture as we do. But here's a thought. Instead of viewing AI and human intelligence as competitors, what if we looked at them as partners? Imagine combining the analytical power of AI with the creative and emotional depth of human intelligence. The possibilities are endless. That's why learning about both AI and human intelligence is crucial. For tech lovers, understanding AI can open up a world of innovation and career opportunities. And for everyone else, understanding human intelligence helps us to enhance our creativity, empathy, and problem-solving skills. But how can we bridge the gap between these two types of intelligence? It starts with education and a willingness to explore and understand both worlds. Thanks for joining us on this exploration. If you have to add something, please share in comments.